Okay, so I've got sort of a novelty kind of thing for you today. It's... no. It's not really sharp at all. In fact, I'm not sure it could cut much of anything. Basically just a souvenir thing. And it says a pro cut on the blade. Right there. And it came in this sheath that says Florida on it, with the seahorse right over there. So that's it. I mean, it's not a pocket knife. It's just a really small souvenir replica, like hunting knife, sort of. And this is the packaging it came in. So that's it for now. I will see you soon.